Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Pad 8 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find either the Google section or accounts. It's up to you, I prefer the accounts, so let me tap on it and then tap on add account. Choose Google and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. Here we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it quickly. Whoa. Okay, and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and there you've got the info, and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, we can always remove it, just tap on it and tap on the trash bin icon in the right upper corner. Tap on remove, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.